We have all the mathematical operators in Lua. The division, it is nice that it keeps the decimal value if the answer results in decimal. So whether we make it a whole number or decimal number gives a consistent result. We also have the caret symbol for the power. Unfortunately, we cannot do the shorthand assignment with operator and equal. And the increment does not work either. Comparison operators work the same as well. You can append the equal sign to make it inclusive. The new one is the not equal operator. Instead of exclamation mark, it is a wavy symbol near the escape key.